We already have a Zoom whiteboard video on our channel, but we've got quite a few questions about that. So I'm going to make another video, try to add more details, and try to answer all the questions. So I have my Zoom application open. I'm going to tap New Meeting. And I'm not going to need audio for this session, but if you were talking to other people in the meeting, you'll definitely want to join audio. Going to maximize my screen. Going to tap Share. I'm going to select Whiteboard and then Share. Now, while your whiteboard is open, anything that your computer recognizes as a writing implement, Zoom will recognize too. You could use your mouse. If you have a touch screen, you can use your finger. If you have a drawing pad attached to your computer, you could use that as well. So right now it defaults to pen mode. You could type the T here for text and you could type. You could select different thicknesses. You can select colors and so on. Additionally, once you filled up a page, if you want to move to another page, down here at the bottom right, you click this icon and notice what happens. Now you're on page 2. If you click it again, now you're on page 3, and if you want to go back, just hit the back arrow. There's 2 again, and there's 1. And you can also save these as a JPEG. Now I have some floating meeting controls here at the bottom of my screen. If I just hover at the bottom, then the controls come up, as you can see. And notice the options. Now Zoom defaults to allow anyone in the meeting to annotate on the whiteboard. Everybody can annotate at the same time. If you don't want other people annotating on the whiteboard or in your meeting, you can click Disable Participants Annotation. If you want to see who's writing on the whiteboard, then if people join the Zoom session, if they enter their name, you could tap Show Names of Annotator or Show Names of Annotators, and you could see who's annotating on the board.